So welcome to my YouTube channel guys, and today in this particular video I will tell you that how this person has made in one day. Don't worry, I will tell you each and everything. But if you haven't watched my previous video where I invited this person in my video and he told you about how he earns $2,000 per month with affiliate marketing with YouTube channel, so we will actually copy paste his strategy in this video, that how he made this. Actually he has made the channel of related to furniture with and he did affiliate marketing as well on his channel. And the good thing is he didn't show his face and he didn't used any professional camera, and he used to earn $2,000 per month. I asked him why you sold that channel, because you have earned a lot of money and you are earning a lot of money, so why are you selling this channel? So he replied me that I can create an other channel and can sold an other channel and can earn easily. So don't worry, I will tell you the method, absolutely free method that he used, and I am going to use that method as well on an other channel. So make sure to watch this video complete to understand the complete process, because many people in this because many people watches 50% videos and they skip 50% video, so they get confused. So let me tell you, the subscriber of that channel actually 6,85,000, and the percentage of views was around 35,000 to 55,000 per video. So someone offered him to buy that channel and he actually sold it, and I have already explained you why he sold that channel, and he is confident that he can create another channel and he can make $2,000 as well, he can sell another channel as well. So here in this video I will tell you each and everything. So let's move to the screen, so I will tell you how you can do this. Okay, so guys, for this method we will select some network, like some affiliate network for this. So you can use Digistore 24, even you can use Amazon Associate, recommend products and earn commission, and even you can use ClickBank and even you can use JVZoo for this. But for the simplest method I will select Digistore 24. You will simply go to the register now and you will simply fill up the form within 5 minutes. And for the beginners I am telling this thing, you will simply complete this formality form within a few seconds, and after that you can easily sign up for Digistore at 24. And after that you will create your account and you will click over here on marketplace. But first of all we will select a niche for our YouTube videos. But before starting the video I will tell you the potential of that particular here you can see on YouTube Shorts 78 million views 11 months ago, 7 million views 6 months ago, and here you can see the very long list, 89 million views 11 months ago. So here the potential of views you can see over here, and there are many people use this affiliate links in their description, so whenever the person will buy some product they get commission. Simple. So first of all we will go to the ChatGPT and I will ask ChatGPT that write best niche for YouTube Shorts. Okay, YouTube Shorts. So it will give us idea that what is the best niche to make channel related to niches. Okay, so cooking and food related content, beauty and fashion tips. So if you are new and you don't know ChatGPT, simply you will go to the dashboard of openai.com and you will simply sign in with ChatGPT. This is very famous and popular tool in these days. So you can simply get an idea from ChatGPT. So the first is cooking and food related content, beauty and fashion tips, DIY and home improvement, fitness and wellness, pets and animal care, technology gadgets, comedy and humor, gaming and sport, music and dance tutorials, travel and lifestyle vlogs. So that will be up to you that which niche you like most. So here ChatGPT is giving us idea that these niches are actually popular for YouTube Shorts. And simply I will give you the idea that how you can create your account with faceless, and you will require no camera for this. Okay, so that's why the person who did this, I'm giving you the real example that how you can create your channel. And also I'm going to create my channel after completing this video, right? Now we will select some niche. So let's suppose pets and animals, cause we are going to get traffic from tier 1 countries like US, UK, Canada, or Australia, this type of countries, these type of countries that we will get premium traffic for our YouTube shorts. So whenever they click on your affiliate link, they will buy product from your link, right? So for this, how you can create your videos, that is the very interesting point, right? So for example, for this case, I'm going to click over here and pets and animals. Okay, so how you will get the videos for pets and animals? There are two options. The option number one is pixels.com. Pixel is a website, free website, where you can get copyright free videos. Okay, so here free cat videos I have written over here, and videos are 99.9k, almost 1 lakh videos are appearing over here. So you will get, I mean, there are 10,000, 5,000, 500, 10, and as much as you can get videos related to your niche. But make sure whenever you create your YouTube channel, your channel should be niche specific. For example, if you make channel for cats and dogs, so you should be consider your channel as a cats and dog. You will not put any type of video that you are going to review the any other product or any other niche. No, your channel is for specific for any niche. Like ChatGPT is telling us that if your channel is related to beauty and fashion, that means your videos should be related to beauty and fashions. If your channel is related to cooking and food related content, so your channel should be related to cooking and food related content. Right now, you are watching my video, and I am giving you this tutorial on my digital helping channel, right? So this channel is for how to make money online and how to earn money online, and related to digital marketing and online earning related channel. So I cannot put over here cooking videos or any vlog videos or different videos. So the most of the user will distract, and they will think that we are subscribed this channel for knowing that how to make money online, and this person is telling us how to go for traveling or how this thing is and he is cooking something. So this channel is related to make money online. So I will definitely tell you the methods of how to make money online, right? So my whole videos are related to digital marketing or how to make money online. Right now we have selected pets and animal. So in your case, you can select any niche according to your desire, right? Now we will get some video from here, or the method number 2 is how you can get your videos. This is the first method. You can get videos from pixels. Okay, and how you can create your videos, the second method is very simple. You will go to the Canva is a free, absolutely free tool, and you will just need to sign in with your Gmail ID, and after that you will simply click on the videos. Okay, so your videos should be for short, so it will be vertical in a view. Okay, so after that you will scroll down and then you will click over here on the mobile video. So it will give you the automatically resized video related to YouTube Shorts. Okay, now I am going to click over here. Here you can see a free video. So I am going to click over here related to cat video. So you can get videos from here as well. There is not a big deal that if I write over here cats, so it will give us many videos related to cats, free videos and copyright free videos. But you can also get more videos from Pixels, and you can join and edit each and every video together. Make sure whenever you put your videos and upload your videos should be something little bit creative, so it will give attention to other user, right? After that you will give the text over here. Then right now if I going to for example promote the cats products. Okay, cats products. So first I forgot to tell you that you will go to the animal and pets, and then you will see over here on I'm in Digistore 24. I will click over here on the second page, no problem. So I will get the this one, okay, cats books. So over here 70% commission, around $21, means if you sell a single product you will get $21. And imagine that I have shown you that the traffic of this particular niche for the shorts, you can see 89 millions, 9 millions, 8 millions. So what do you think that 10 to 20% cannot get buy product from your link? Definitely they will buy products from your link. That's actually the method which the person which he came in my video did this. That's why he has earned a lot of money, and he do affiliate marketing on YouTube, right? Now you will just simply click over here promote. Now I'm not signed in, so you will just need to click over here. You will get the affiliate link, and you can paste your affiliate link directly to YouTube, but you will give earning disclaimer. So we will get the idea from here how you will put your affiliate link on YouTube videos. So for example, if this person has this person has I am not getting the affiliate link from here, so let me check other video. Okay, so guys, I have selected this video, and clicked on this video, and here I have found the affiliate link. Right now, buy one of these products to help us save homeless cats. If I click over here, it will redirect me to that particular page. So whenever the user will buy something, they will get commission, or even they can even use their own e-commerce site, but that is not our concern. You will simply put your affiliate link like this. Okay, so you can put your Amazon, Digistore, any affiliate link, product link, and whenever the user will click over here, they will buy product from there. I have shown you the potential and the traffic of this niche as well. 7 millions, 78 millions, and there are millions of traffic over the shorts, because shorts channels are more shorts channels gets more views. That's why the earning potential is high. And the guys, the thing is, we are not related to here in this method that we can get the YouTube amount. No, we are doing affiliate marketing. So we are actually concerned over here that how we can earn money through affiliate marketing, right? So I have forgot the thing that over here. Okay, so you will just need to put the text over here, and here you can see you will find this type of video after creating your account. Product. So guys, make sure whenever you create like video, the problem solving should be matters, that you give the value to users, so they will absolutely buy from your affiliate link if you give the value. So let's suppose here you can see if you put your text over here, so you will write something catchy thing, yani how to train your cat like this, okay, or how to train your cat, or learn how to train your cat, or some problem solving solutions you will provide in your shorts. So after that, they will read your shorts, and they will automatically convert as a buyer, right? I have shown you that you can do this with the Amazon or Digistore24, JVZoo, or with ClickBank as well. Network is not necessary. You can join any network. You can create your short videos for any network. There is not a big deal. So the main thing is method, how you can promote your affiliate links and affiliate products. So you will select some specific niche, and after that you will do this. Okay, so you will put your headings, headings and titles, and after that you will insert in your YouTube shorts that subscribe to this channel, or you can easily give them link in description. You will write link in description, and whenever the user will watch your video, they will automatically come to your description box, and they will check your affiliate link. So there is no necessary to create your landing page. You will definitely put your affiliate link directly. So there is no issue, because you can see there are almost every person putting their direct affiliate links on YouTube channels, YouTube descriptions in shorts. Even you can create your long videos, but I can recommend you to create your short videos, because short videos has a lot of views, which I have shown you in this video. Hope you are understand every method. If you have any question, you can ask me in comments. I will definitely answer you. So after that, you will just download it and paste in your you will create your YouTube channel and upload this type of videos. So take care and goodbye.